Hello everyone, today I will share about Thailand Suvarnabhumi International Airport. If you have forget to purchase something souvenirs or any food item, then you can also purchase from the airport. It is little expensive, but if you like you can purchase. So I will show you everything, whatever food option you have in this airport, for vegetarian, for non-vegetarian, everything about the Suvarnabhumi Airport, Thailand. So please watch till the end of this video to know each and every detail about it. So when you will enter in the entrance of the airport, then you will find this shop where you can find everything in one shop, like dried fruits, dried snacks, noodles, instant noodles, and they have some ready-made food also, which they will heat and they will give so that directly you can eat it. Even they have some cooked food available. You can see like there are different dry fruits packets also present, and different crackers, different flavors. So we have tried little in the mall, but here in airport it is little expensive, so we just explore, we saw, and we came back. So this is the video. If somebody has forget or their bag weight is more, they could not purchase from outside, then this is the best option which you can buy from the airport. So they have starting from mango, orange, everything you can purchase. Like 2 mangoes it is around 150 baht, means 2 mangoes it will, if we will convert, then it will be 450 around. So this was the escalator. If you will stand, then you can go. And apart from that, they have many shops are there, you can try it. So these are the memories of Thailand, where they are keeping all these shawls, everything. So it was, you can see this is 390 baht, and these are the soaps, like mango design soaps, different soaps. But comparing to outside, this is around not double, I can say. It is 3 to 4 times extra you have to pay if you want to buy it from here. So I will suggest better to buy from outside, because it is little expensive. If you can afford it, then you can also go ahead and purchase it from the airport. You can see there are different souvenirs here, so those are unique, but it's little expensive. So everything you can see elephants, small elephants, so those are made up of woods. We didn't have much time to explore, just only 1 hour. So in that 1 hour we have to eat, we have to explore some of the shops. I thought I will record, so that if you are planning to go to Thailand or something, so you will have a better idea what to buy, what not to buy, everything. So these are the like makeup product you can see, which you can purchase. So they have different varieties. If you see in India, or you will compare with them, then they have more varieties of products. Even for the medicine also they have different varieties. You can see those are the scented soaps, like the elephant soap, you can see mango, different fruits. It was really a unique one. Now we will come about the food. So they have, if you are a vegetarian person, then you can choose for the Burger King. So Burger King, they have separate sections, you can see.
Double veggie burger, double veg chili cheeseburger.
So these are all the veggies.
Double extra long
So this is chicken, fish and veg. So you have 3. So in the side you can take like this. Dessert कौन सी रखा?
cherry pie, taro corn pie, and apple pie.
Okay, we'll see. In whole Bangkok, outside like mall and everything, you will find coconut 80 baht. But when we went to Athuya, So that is a remote area. It's a like a remote area where you can get coconut only in 20 baht. So apart from Ayutthaya, everywhere you will get coconut in like prices 100 baht or 80 baht, but in airport it is like 150. So you see 20 baht in Ayutthaya, and now in airport it is 150 baht. So you can imagine the price difference in airport products. So these are some of the other stores. So these are the particular perfume shops, scents from Thailand, and here are the drinks. If you don't like to eat something, you can go for it. So these are the sandwiches. But before purchasing, see all the ingredients, because it is like if you don't eat pork, beef or something, so better you read all the ingredients, then go for it.
Is it a strawberry bread? Strawberry sandwich. Custard pudding. ତାମାନେ ସେମାନେ କଷ୍ଟାର୍ଡ଼ ଏଇଟା ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇଗୁଡ଼ା ବହୁତ ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ସେ ଖାଇବନି। ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ସ୍ପିନାଚ୍ ଭେଜିଟେବଲ୍ ସ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡୱିଚ୍। ସେଇଟା ଏତେ ବଢ଼ିଆ। This is the ready-made lunch. So they will heat and they will give you. You can have it. So it's only 75 baht, 54 baht, like that. This is prawn. You can see clearly. This is big glass noodles. These are the nuts. These are new flavors of Lay's. These are the small candies. Same Coquito is available here. और देखो these are the ready-made noodles. Are the drinks. ଏଇଠି ଇନୋ ବି ଅଛି। 300 लास्ट मोमेंट जे केड़ी आते हो। Bananas are 12 baht. ଭିତରେ ଏବେ ଆଲାଉ କରିବେନି ଟୋପାଟ ବେଶୀ। So in India, people are very worried when they have white hair, but here they are getting this color to make the hair white. So surprising.
କେତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି।
ସିଏ ଏଇଠି ଆମର ସେଇଭଳିଆ ବିସ୍କୁଟ ଥିଲା ଯେଉଁ ଚାରିକଣିଆ ଓରିଓର କେତେଟା ଫ୍ଲେଭର ଅଛି ଦେଖେଇଲୁ। ଗୋଟେ ରେଡ୍
ଗୋଟେ ବେବି ମନଷ୍ଟର।
ଏଇଟା ବେବି ମନଷ୍ଟର ମାନେ କ'ଣ?
ସେଡ୍ ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
ଦେଖ ନବୁ। This is Hershey's small candies. ଏଇଟା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ହେଇଛି। ଆଉ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ କାଲି ଆଣିଲେ ସେଇଟା କେତେ ଥିଲା? ଏଇଠି ଏମାନେ କେତେ ପଇସା ବିକୁଛନ୍ତି?
83.2
ଏଇଟା 83.2। ସେଇଟା ଅଲଗା। ସେଇଟା ଏଇଟା 29ରେ 29 କିଣିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ରି ଥିଲା।
ଏଇଟା 29ରେ 2+1
ହଁ ତାମାନେ 60ରେ ଫ୍ରି। ଏଇଠି
60ରେ 2।
ସିଧିଟା ବହୁତ ଶସ୍ତା ଅଛି।
କେତେଟା 500?
ଦେଖୁନୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 15 ବାଟ୍। ତୁ କହ ନା ବହୁତ ଗରମ ସେ ଛିଟକି ପଡ଼ିବ।
ସେ ବେକାର।
ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲୁ 90 ବାଟ୍ରେ?
ସେମିତି
ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ବ୍ରେଡ୍ ତାଙ୍କର। ଚୋକୋ ପାଇ ଅଛି, ଚୋକୋଲେଟ୍ ଚୋକୋ ପାଇ। ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ କଲର୍ର ବି କ'ଣ ଅଛି? ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ?
ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିରେ ଏମିତି ବନେଇବିରେ ନିଜେ।
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ତୋର ବାଏ। କ'ଣ କହିବୁ?
After eating, we went for the F6 terminal where we will board our flight back to India. So this is the F6, so this is coming to Delhi International Airport. You can see this is so big, neat and clean. The architecture of this airport is so unique and beautiful. I just loved it. To board the flight, we have to go downstairs to go to the aerobase and we have to board the flight. Till now, flight didn't came, so it's going to come. ଆଉ ଆମେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗିଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆସିଛୁ କାହିଁକିନା if you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share it with your friends and family. I hope this is helpful video for you.